Hey, future flyers. Ever dreamed of skipping traffic and soaring above the city? Well, that future is closer than you think, thanks to incredible innovations like the EHang 216. This isn't just a drone, it's an autonomous air taxi designed to change how we move. Let's dive in. So, what exactly is the EHang 216? It's an electric, two-seater autonomous aerial vehicle, or AAV. Think of it as a super advanced, giant drone designed to carry passengers safely and efficiently. Unlike traditional helicopters, the EHang 216 is fully electric, meaning zero emissions and much quieter operation, perfect for urban environments. The most exciting part? It flies itself. The EHang 216 is completely autonomous. Passengers simply select their destination on a touchscreen, and the aircraft handles the rest. It uses advanced GPS, sensors, and intelligent flight control systems to navigate, avoid obstacles, and land precisely. No pilot needed. This makes air travel accessible and incredibly simple. The EHang 216 boasts 16 propellers, providing stable and redundant flight. It's built with multiple backup systems to ensure passenger safety, even in unexpected situations. It's also designed for short to medium-range urban flights, perfect for commuting, sightseeing, or quick trips across town. Plus, being electric, it's a step towards greener, more sustainable transportation. The EHang 216 represents a significant leap in urban air mobility. Imagine a world where you can hail an air taxi like you do a car, soaring above traffic congestion. This technology has the potential to transform smart cities, reduce travel times, and offer a new dimension to public and private transport. The future of flight is here, and it's looking electric and autonomous.